Combining these FPV drones with middle strike drones that make strikes on Russia's near rear possible, Ukraine has created kill zones that extend for almost 100 miles. Is it any wonder that Russian soldiers are being shredded in massive numbers when they have to make their way through so much drone-infested territory just to get to a position where they can launch assaults? Finally, we come to the big thing that we mentioned earlier. This is the one thing, perhaps above anything else, that did something so unthinkable to Russia that it crippled the spring offensive to the point where we started seeing the losses that we see now. And that thing is simple: Ukraine's counteroffensive.
That is not an airplane.
Ukraine went on a tear through the Russian positions in the south and southeast of its territory, destroying the infiltration group as it went with the search and destroy tactics we discussed earlier. By March 3rd, Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky
And he's trying to catch it.
recaptured 460 square kilometers, or about 177 square miles from Russia. This is the largest counteroffensive Ukraine has launched since 2023. Been made possible
whatever it is.
because Russia's forces have been stripped of their access to illicit Starlink terminals that enable them to communicate on the front lines.
He can't catch it.
This counteroffensive matters in the context of Russia's failing spring offensive for two reasons. First, Putin's plan in the south was to create a buffer zone in the Dnipropetrovsk region.
It's going too fast.
Should have allowed Russia to prevent Ukraine from sending troops through that axis to support its soldiers in the Zaporizhia and Donetsk regions, which would have allowed Russia to attack both of those regions with more force. That plan is done for now. Ukraine has the supposed buffer zone, which means that it can also provide troop and logistical support to other regions of Ukraine that need it. The converging Russian advance towards Zaporizhia has been particularly affected by this shattering of the buffer zone, as Ukraine has complicated those plans and forced Russia into a corner.
Yeah, it's gone.
Gives rise to a